I spent years working as a nuclear power electrician before moving into the HVAC world 17 years ago. And if there is one thing I learned from the reactor floor, it is that technical specs tell the real story of how a machine will behave in the field. Today, we are putting two heavy hitters in the ducted split heat pump category head to head. The Broan FSH1BG and the Ducane 7HP9V. Both of these units are positioned in the ultimate tier, but when you look at the raw data, they are actually very different machines built for different priorities. Let's start with the physical build quality because that is what stands between your investment and the elements. Both the Broan and the Ducane come with louvered coil protection. In my world, that is a non-negotiable requirement. A louvered panel is a physical shield that keeps hail, weed whackers, and neighborhood kids from flattening those delicate aluminum fins. While a wire guard is cheaper to manufacture, these louvered cabinets ensure the airflow stays consistent over the life of the unit, which is exactly what you want when you are paying for premium performance. Now, let's talk about the guts of these machines. This is where the electrical nerd in me gets excited. Both units are running variable speed compressors and variable speed condenser fans. In the field, this is a game changer for your electrical panel. Traditional single stage units have a massive inrush current, that giant spike of amperage every time the system kicks on, which beats up your capacitors and puts stress on your home's wiring. Because these are inverter-driven variable speed systems, they ramp up slowly. There is no hard start, no flickering lights, and significantly less wear and tear on the internal components. However, there is a massive gap in efficiency. The Broan FSH1BG is pushing an HSP-F2 rating of 10, which is top of the line for a ducted system. The Ducane 7HP19V is coming in at an 8.5 HSP-F2. In the winter months, that difference is going to show up directly on your utility bill. When we look at the numbers on the invoice, the Ducane 7HP19V is the budget-friendly king of the variable speed world. You can find the equipment for around $4,000, and a full installation typically lands between $6,000 and $8,000 depending on your local labor rates. The Broan is a steeper climb. The equipment alone is often over $5,000, and you are looking at an installed price closer to $9,000 or $10,000. You are paying a premium for that higher efficiency rating and the engineering required to hit that 10 HSPF2 mark. Before we get to the winner, remember that no matter how much you spend, these systems are only as good as the technician who maintains them. Keep your filters clean and your outdoor coils clear of debris, or you are just throwing money out the window. The warranty battle is where the Broan FSH1BG really pulls away. Both brands give you the standard 10 years on parts and the compressor, which is the industry baseline. But Broan includes a 10-year unit replacement warranty. If that compressor fails within the first decade, they don't just give you a new part, they give you a whole new outdoor unit. Ducane offers 0 years of unit replacement coverage. For a homeowner, that is the ultimate peace of mind. So, here's the verdict. If you are looking for the absolute best value for your bottom line over the next 15 years, the Broan FSH1BG is the winner. Yes, the Ducane is cheaper up front, and it is made right here in the USA, but the Broan's superior efficiency and that 10-year no-hassle replacement warranty make it the smarter investment. The electrical savings from that 10 HSPF2 rating will eventually pay back the price gap, and that warranty ensures you won't be stuck with a lemon. Shop like a pro by using my head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com.